Don't interrupt me again. This is not the Dominic Bolden show. You do not run this court. Are you Dominic Bolden?
Yes, sir. How you doing?
There's a co-defendant in this case, is there?
Sure.
What is the co-defendant's name? What is it?
Jasmine Smith.
It's currently in warrant status.
Okay, do you have a cause number on it? I can't.
Sure. 247-8889.
Get it, Victoria?
Bolden? Oh,
The,
I'm sorry, one more time.
247-8889.
Okay.
Yeah, that's correct. It's a warrant status. All right, Mr. Bolden, you're charged with theft. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and any abuse in the state of Texas. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
On August 13th, 2023, officers were dispatched to a shoplifter call at the
Right from the start, boom. The judge sets the tone with zero tolerance. This isn't just attitude correction, this is courtroom hierarchy in action. In legal settings, interrupting a judge is one of the fastest ways to lose credibility, and possibly your freedom. Question for you, do you think the judge is being too harsh here, or is this exactly how order should be maintained?
Walmart on 3450 FM 1960. Upon arrival, officers met with the loss prevention officer who stated that defendant and co-defendant were observed on surveillance cameras taking items from the shelves and concealing them in defendant's purse. Defendant and co-defendant were observed walking past all points of sale without paying. The stolen items totaled $198.90.
Okay. Mr. Bolden, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. How old are you, sir?
I'm 22.
What do you do for a living?
I just be like, I work at a car dealership and I do like DoorDash and stuff.
Do you have a Texas driver license?
No, sir.
You are not allowed to drive.
I have a Louisiana driver license, sir.
How long have you lived in Houston?
Maybe like a couple months.
Are you planning on staying here in Houston?
Yeah, I'm about to renew my license. My license just expired, but I'm about to get a new one.
If your license is expired, you are not allowed to drive.
I haven't been driving, sir. The last time I drove was maybe months ago.
I am now making it a condition of your bond, number one, that you're not to drive.
Yes,
Number
sir.
two, I'm also ordering you not to go to any Walmart for any reason whatsoever. If you go to Walmart, I will revoke your bond. I will put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, I'm just moving around.
Mr. Bolden, the way you're conducting yourself now, it's not very respectful. I advise that you start treating us with respect. Guys, keep it down, please.
It's my first time here. I'm just,
I'm going to have you sign with me today an affidavit. This is a promise that you're going to make to me that you're not going to drive for any reason. I don't care what your justification is. If you drive, I will have a contempt hearing.
I'm sorry to interrupt, but what about when I get my license?
Don't interrupt me again.
This is a crucial legal moment. The judge is setting bond conditions, and they're serious. No driving, no Walmart sounds simple, right? But violating even one of these can instantly land him back in jail. This is where many defendants mess up. They underestimate how strict these rules are. Be honest, would you remember and follow every single condition under pressure?
Take a seat for me in the jury box.
August 5th.
Did someone ask you to get up? Take him in back, please. I'm now revoking your bond, sir. Hey. Yeah, let's do it.
The one that you took the back for the new store.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hugh, are you with me?
Yeah,
I'm gonna give you one more now. And this guy's been just thinks he's the king of the world here. It's not gonna work like that. Thinks he's running the show. You want to go through the list too?
You got that
What's that?
last name, Golden.
Yes, just got it. Okay.
So let's do this. Do you mind bringing Bolden out, please?
Is there a PO in there?
And there it is, the turning point. One interruption too many, and the judge revokes his bond. Just like that, freedom is gone. This isn't about the original theft anymore, it's about behavior in court. Respect and timing matter just as much as the case itself. Final question, did he just ruin his own chances, or was the judge waiting for a reason to make an example out of him?
Is it a bond violation issue, Judge?
10,003.
Tracy, is he done?
Our results are in. Yeah, she went.
Guys, keep it down. This is not the, look at me. This is not the Dominic Bolden show. You do not run this court. You speak when we ask you to. You don't get up unless we need you to get up for some reason. Do you understand? I've appointed you a lawyer. I am now sending you for a drug test. You must come back tomorrow so we can talk about the results because it's now noon and we're not going to get the results for a while. I expect you to behave in another manner when you come back tomorrow. You start acting the same way, it's not going to go well. I promise you that.
Yes, sir.
Did you get a high school diploma?
Yes, sir.
What are you doing with your life now?
Like I said, I just do DoorDash and I work at the car dealership.
Okay, you don't have a license,
Yes, sir.
so you are not allowed to drive.
Yes, sir.
You will be signing an affidavit with me today. The worst possible thing you can do, and the way you can ensure yourself a jail sentence is by driving, because I will have a contempt hearing. You'll be facing 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every time you get into a car and drive. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. Thanks. We'll see you tomorrow, Mr. Bolden.
The next day.
I'm here on Dominic Bolden.
Okay. Did she send email or do you have a physical?
I did not receive, I was told that he did fail. It's for THC. However, Judge, this was a 2B warrant, so he wasn't under any bond conditions before. He did go on a trip to Michigan with his mother, so that's where.
Tracy, do you have the test on Mr. Bolden?
Yeah, he's positive for THC.
Anything else? Anything else? No? Okay, Mr. Bolden, come up, sir. Mr. Bolden, I am making it a condition of your bond that you're not to smoke weed.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I'm telling you, weed stays in your system 30 days. I will test you 31 days from today. If you test positive for marijuana, that tells me that you've continued to smoke and I'm going to put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So I'm not going to put him under bond conditions, right? We'll just come back. We'll do a 30-day reset. I'm going to test you when you come back here.
Yes, yes,
As
sir.
long as you're clean, you'll be fine with me. If you're not, you know what's going to happen.
Yes, sir.
Do you have
Yes,
any
sir.
questions?
No, sir.
Okay, talk with Hugh. You have any issues, he can get with me, but don't pick up any new cases. Don't have contact with the complaining witness and don't use any dope. Okay, thanks.
Thank you, Judge.